The orange or amber light on your EE router is an important indicator that tells you about your internet connection status. Understanding what this light means can help you quickly identify and resolve connectivity issues. Here we can see the front panel of an EE router. Notice the orange globe-shaped light among the indicator lights. This orange light specifically indicates your internet connectivity status. The orange light indicates a partial connection to EE's network, but not full internet access. Your router can communicate with EE's infrastructure, but something is preventing complete connectivity to the internet. During the router's startup phase, an orange light is completely normal and expected. The router needs 2 to 3 minutes to boot up, establish connections, and authenticate with EE's network before providing full internet access. Several factors can cause the orange light to appear. Authentication issues occur when there are problems verifying your account with EE's servers. Network congestion happens during peak usage hours when many users are online simultaneously. Automatic firmware updates can temporarily interrupt your connection while the router installs new software. Additionally, EE's ongoing network infrastructure upgrades and maintenance can cause temporary connectivity issues. Modern internet usage patterns contribute significantly to orange light incidents. The increased adoption of smart home devices like security cameras, smart speakers, and IoT devices creates higher bandwidth demands on your network. Sustained work-from-home demands, including video conferencing, cloud storage synchronization, and remote desktop connections, continue to stress network infrastructure beyond traditional usage patterns. EE's ongoing network modernization, including 5G expansion, and the rollout of new router models, like the Smart Hub Pro 6E, can trigger orange light incidents during configuration updates and infrastructure changes. Understanding these various causes helps you determine whether an orange light requires immediate action or is simply part of normal network operations. In most cases, the light will resolve automatically as systems complete their processes.